Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where, for example, we'll create two teams and it will guess the score. So first of all, we'd like to import random. Next we'd like to do is just create a new variable, team1. Team1 equals input, where we input enter first team. Yep, and then we would like to create team2. So we write team2 equals input enter second team. Yep, and then next we have to do is just print open up our strings, and inside write this is team1, then random dot random integer from 0 to 5. Yep, let me copy it up. And then write like this, the score, and team2. Guys, now let's save it up. Let's run it. Enter first team. For example, yes, enter the first team. For example, Real Madrid, and second team, Barcelona. Real wins Barcelona 5-2. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.